Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to double your Etsy sales by having your very own Facebook group. So if you want to learn how a Facebook group can really help your business grow and get you sales on a continuous basis, make sure that you stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget, this is for everyone watching. Hit that notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new videos that I upload to the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. The reason why I wanted to do this video is because having a Facebook group has changed my business for the better. And I wanted to share with you guys 5 things that you should be doing in your Facebook group to build a community of raving fans that will buy from you over and over and over. So let's go ahead and get started. Tip number 1 is having a Facebook group will help you build relationships. A Facebook group is a great way to build your community who share the same interests as yourself. And Facebook groups are a great place to form meaningful customer relationships so people get to like, know, and trust you. If they like, know, and trust you, it makes the buying process a lot easier. So having a Facebook group helps you develop brand ambassadors that will help you grow your brand by word of mouth without you even asking them and buy from you all the time. Tip number 2 is having a Facebook group will help you grow a community. So you have the ability to build a thriving community full of raving fans and loyal fans and fans that will be the first in line for every paid product you have. So how do you actually grow a community, right, with loyal fans? And the first thing is not to treat your Facebook group as a billboard of everything you sell on your Etsy shop. You will need to offer your members valuable content and targeted offers specifically for them. That makes them feel special and become loyal to your brand. It's important to interact with your members, to be social, to ask questions, and offer free tips and tools for your members. Always remember that. That's how you build a thriving community. Tip number 3 is it will help you establish yourself as an expert. So this is another reason why having a Facebook group is going to help you grow your business in general. You could do this by just creating valuable content specifically for your audience. So you need to understand your audience pain points and how your products or services solve those problems. And then you create high value content to help them with that. And you could provide most of the content for free. You could also create different things to drive traffic to different destinations. So you could do blog posts. You could share your social media if you want. You could do challenges, ebooks, cheat sheets, guides, and countless other types of posting to interact with your community. Tip number 4, it will help you grow a successful business. Tip number 4, I'm going to share with you how to grow your Facebook group. And it's a lot easier than you might think. You just need to include your Facebook group link in your social media profiles. Anyone that buys from you from your Etsy store, invite them to join your group. Email your list and invite them as well. And pretty much anywhere you promote your Etsy shop, have that particular link. This is the quickest way to grow your Facebook group with your ideal audience. If you have a website, create a resource page and list it in there as well. Now, tip number 5 is with a Facebook group, it will be easier to sell your products. It's easy to sell your products on the group when you're building solid relationships, when you're providing tons of value, when you're establishing yourself as an expert, when you're social with your group. Then when you promote your products, it won't make you feel sleazy or awkward. It will be easy to get sales on a continuous basis all the time. So I highly recommend starting a Facebook group for your Etsy business right away. It's a place where you could build, like I said, community, brand awareness, grow your Etsy sales. So if you want to learn how to grow a Facebook group, make sure that you check out my Etsy Mastery course. I do have a bonus section in the course where I teach you how to start and grow a Facebook group. I will leave the link right below. Now, if you have any additional questions about starting a Facebook group, I'm an open book, so make sure that you leave your questions right below the video, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Let me know what you thought about the video or if you have further questions, and thanks for watching.